Hello friends, this module is about WhatsApp all-in-one integration. In this module, we are going to show how WhatsApp can be integrated with Odoo. After the installation of the module, we have to create an account on WhatsApp Chat API. Once we log in, we get an instance ID and token. Under Settings, go to General Settings in Odoo. Scroll down and add the instance ID and token there. Click on the Get QR code. Scan the QR code from your mobile's WhatsApp web. After you are logged in, you can start sending WhatsApp messages. We can send WhatsApp messages through contacts, sales, account invoice, account payment, credit notes, delivery order, POS, purchase order, project task, CRM lead and payment reminders. Use a sign up page via the same application. Let us have a look at how this works inside Odoo. So we can start with the contacts. We create a contact by adding name, country and mobile number that is mandatory for sending messages. After saving the contact, click on the WhatsApp icon to send messages. You can also send multiple attachments too. You can send messages to multiple contacts through the list view. You can also directly send messages through WhatsApp by clicking here. The list of contacts here will only consist of those contacts which will have the country and mobile number details filled in it. Now let's move to sending WhatsApp messages through the CRM. Create a lead by adding all information. The message regarding the lead will be sent to the salesperson. We can configure a message by adding a signature and a chatter message. Same configuration can be done for the project task. Once you create a task in the project task, a WhatsApp message will automatically be sent to the assigned user. Moving on to the sales order function. For sending WhatsApp messages, we need to give access rights, which also applies to the account invoice, purchase order, stock, account payment and sales. After creating a sales order, you can configure the same by giving access to these features for sending a WhatsApp message. You can send the sale order details to the corresponding customer through WhatsApp by clicking on the Send WhatsApp message. You can create a purchase order and then send it to the vendor by WhatsApp. Again, by clicking on the Send WhatsApp button. This too can be configured same as the sales order. Moving on to the inventory. We can send delivery order details to the customer through WhatsApp. Also, this can be configured same as the sales order. Now about the invoicing. We can send invoice details to the customer. Configuration is same as the prior one. We can also send WhatsApp messages to the corresponding customer through credit notes. The WhatsApp message can be sent to the customer or the vendor through the account payment. By clicking here, we can send payment reminders WhatsApp message to the customers. For portal users, we need to enable free sign-up form from General Settings. Then log out. Click here. Enter the details and the WhatsApp message will be sent to the corresponding user's mobile number. So, this is the complete demo for the WhatsApp all-in-one integration module. I hope this video is helpful to you. You can reach Pragmatic team in case of any concern. Thank you.